Welcome back to another video, guys. There's an interesting market situation on volatility 100 index, so I would want us to have a look on this index in today's video. Transaction basically, we're analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. A higher time frame can be the daily time frame, the monthly time frame, or the weekly time frame. But here in today's video, we're starting from the daily time frame on volatility 100 index. So we can see here that this index has been on a long-term uptrend. This index has been creating a series of higher highs and higher lows. So the first thing I do whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities is to identify the market direction. Working alongside with the market direction would give you an edge in the market. It would put you ahead of many traders. So after identifying the market direction, the next thing I do is to spot the key levels and zones. So you can see on 100 index on the daily time frame that this index is in an uptrend. So we spot the market direction firstly. It's clearly seen that this index has been creating series of higher highs and higher lows. Let's spot the highs and lows of this index. Firstly, we got the lows here. We got the highs at this point that followed up. Then we got another low, but in this case a higher low. When we see markets create series of higher highs and higher lows, the information the market is trying to give is telling traders that it's moving in an uptrend. So we got that low here, we got a high at this point, a higher high, got another low here, a higher low. We can see that these lows we've been identifying is higher than each other, right? The first low here, the second low is higher than the first low, the third low is higher than the second low, the fourth low is higher than the third low. This is giving the market an upward direction, right? So we got another high at this point, a higher high, which we also have to spot and identify. Then we got a new low here, which price actually formed, right? We got a high at this point, a higher high. So this is the market structure on the daily time frame on volatility 100 index. The market is moving in an uptrend, creating series of higher highs and higher lows. Next thing we use to spot the levels and zones inside of this uptrend. Right, let's clear the chart. Let's clear all of these. Okay, we are fine here. And we can see that currently we are getting the sells on this index. When we zoom in the chart, we can see that the past days now has been bearish on volatility 100 index. Market is creating a couple of red candles signifying a bearish move, and there's a point where this index got to accelerate selling. That level shouldn't be overlooked. We should spot that level as well. That's the first key level, the first main level on this index. We can see at this point that we got price buy on this level as a support. A key level is a level that we got price buy on and sell on as a support and as a resistance. So we got price buy on this level as a support firstly. Support at this point, there was a break, retest here, support broke, return resistance, the sell to the downside, resistance at this point again, the sell to the downside. And this is a historical market move, a previous market move. So for price to come back to this same level, we got price react on as a support and as a resistance. There's a possibility of price selling from this identified key zone, which we are actually getting at this point. And we can see that the sell momentum is low because we've seen this candlestick form wicks. We got a couple of candlestick wicks on this candlestick. On this red candlestick is signifying a low bearish momentum, and we are also aware that this index is in an uptrend. And whenever a market is moving in an uptrend, we should focus mainly on the buy side of the market. We should look out for more of buy opportunities on the market. So let's spot the levels we got firstly instead of this uptrend. So we got this level as the first important zone, though we got a level of support here, a key level of support at this point, right? But we got this level as a key zone because we got price buy on this level as a support previously. There was a break and retest of this level of support, broke, return resistance, the sell to the downside, the sell to the downside, and we got price buy on this level twice as a support as well. The buy is there, now markets moved past this level. So this is the first two important zones, and the next zone we got is at this point. The next level we got is here, because you can see how price bought from as a support, resistance, support at this zone, the buy to the upside. So this is another key level we got, right? We have another level at this point, a very strong level, because we've seen how price bought here as a support, resistance, support, then we got the buy to the upside, right? So all we have to do is to spot the levels and zones, then look out for trade opportunities on those levels and zone. So we got the next level at this point: resistance. There was a break and retest, resistance broken, turn support, the buys to the upside. Now we got the last level at this zone. So what do we expect of this index? There's a possibility of price selling to this identified level for the buys in the coming hours and days on V100 index. On how we've seen price move in an uptrend, remember we should focus mainly on the buy side of the market. So if price can sell to this identified zone, then we have to expect price to buy. We have to expect the buy move on this index. So all we have to do is wait especially for the sells on this index. We can as well look out for sell opportunities, short-term sell opportunities on the volatility 100 index. So when we go to the 1 hour time frame, it's clearly seen that we got this market structure here. This is like a consolidating, this is a consolidating market formation. We can see the market is being in a range, creating series of equal highs and equal lows. We got price be at this range, and market is yet to decide if it's to break below this range or a break above this range. But I'm anticipating a break below this consolidation for the buy opportunity, for the long-term buy opportunity. If can get price break below this equal highs and equal lows, market is forming at this zone, then we should see price sell to the downside. And if price can sell to the downside to this our identified zone, then we have to look out for long-term buy opportunity on volatility 100 index. So that's my view and market analysis on this index. I'm looking out for short-term sells for long-term buys on this index. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more market analysis like this and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my 20 viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engage in my videos. It really means to us, guys. Let's do more, and that will be enough for you.